Alright FPV pilots, buckle up. The DJI O4 Air Unit and Air Unit Pro are here to supercharge your flights. Imagine a 1080p 100 frame per second live feed with a jaw-dropping 15 millisecond transmission and a range of up to 15 kilometers. Basically, it's like having superhuman vision while zipping through the skies. And the best part? You don't need an action camera. This baby captures high quality video all on its own, meaning less weight, more speed, and no extra gear. Whether you're racing or freestyle flying, this setup is a total game changer. Stay tuned because we're about to dive into the two versions of this powerhouse. Ready to level up your FPV experience? Let's go. The DJI O4 Air Unit series is taking FPV to the next level with its DJI O4 video transmission system, delivering ultra-low latency for razor-sharp, responsive controls. And when you pair it with the dual antenna design for the Air Unit Pro, you're looking at an impressive 15-kilometer transmission range. Here's the kicker. The system automatically picks the most stable frequency, so whether you're slicing through mountain air or threading the needle in tight indoor spaces, you're flying with absolute confidence and precision. No more signal dropouts, just pure, uninterrupted action. This unit is capable of shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second, giving you ultra high definition footage that looks as incredible as your flights feel. Whether you're soaring through wide open spaces or pulling off intricate maneuvers, every frame is captured with pinpoint clarity. But that's not all. DJI has equipped this system with H.265 video encoding, which allows for high frame rate transmission at 1080p and 100 frames per second. This ensures your live feed is not just smooth, but also super clear, keeping up with every twist, turn, and high-speed dash. So, no matter how fast you're flying or how challenging the terrain is, the camera view is always right there with you, delivering a seamless, real-time experience. The DJI O4 Air Unit series brings an exciting edge to FPV flying with its brand new racing mode. This mode cuts the video transmission latency down to an incredible 15 milliseconds, giving you lightning-fast response times that make all the difference when you're racing at high speeds. But it doesn't stop there. This system can support up to 8 aircraft racing simultaneously, transforming any race into a heart-pounding, high-speed thrill ride. I'm talking cinematic masterpieces at your fingertips. Think of your FPV drone as a high-speed sports car on a racetrack. The car's engine might be powerful, but without a top-tier windshield offering a crystal-clear view and lightning-fast responsiveness, every twist and turn becomes a gamble. That's the challenge FPV pilots face, capturing high-quality footage and maintaining ultra-low latency for a seamless experience. Enter the DJI O4 Air Unit series, your new high-performance windshield. The standard O4 Air Unit comes with a half-inch image sensor recording 4K at 60 frames per second, delivering crisp visuals without the need for an extra action camera. For those who crave even more clarity, the Air Unit Pro steps it up with a 1 and 1.3 inch sensor offering 4K at 120 frames per second. With this setup, you're not just flying, you're capturing every moment with precision, effortlessly creating breathtaking visuals on the fly. Picture this. You're flying your drone on a blazing sunny day, trying to nail that perfect shot, but the footage just looks like a hot mess. Overexposed, washed out, and dull. Now, imagine using a drone that doesn't have ND filters. It's like taking a picture with your phone's camera, but without adjusting the settings for brightness so everything turns out looking flat and lifeless. Now, switch it up. With the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro camera module and the DJI Avata 2 ND filter set, you've got the secret sauce. These filters are like your drone's pair of sunglasses, giving you complete control over light intake and shutter speed, so even in full sunlight, you get balanced exposure and vibrant, true-to-life colors. Other drones without this kind of control? You're stuck with that harsh, overexposed look and your footage just doesn't have that smooth, professional vibe. The difference is night and day. With the O4 Air Unit Pro, you can capture dynamic motion blur and get ultra-smooth, cinematic shots every time, while other drones leave you guessing. Think of it like this, you're the captain of your drone and your screen is the control center. What if you could fully customize that control panel to show only the info that matters most? That's exactly what the DJI O4 Air Unit series brings to the table. With Canvas Mode and Betaflight OSD settings, you can personalize your goggles display, making sure you have real-time data and a layout that's perfectly suited to your flying style. It's all about precision and control, putting you in the driver's seat for the smoothest flight experience. And it doesn't end there. The DJI O4 Air unit is designed to be lightweight and portable, fitting into drone frames as small as 2 inches. This means you can build a drone that fits any creative vision you have, whether you're racing, freestyle flying, or capturing cinematic shots. The freedom to assemble and adapt is all yours, while easily capturing high quality footage with every flight. First up, we've got the O4 Air unit. Next is the 3-in-1 cable. This connects the Air unit to your drone's flight controller and your goggles, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted communication. Then we've got these 2 antennas. They enhance your video transmission range and keep your signal stable so you can fly further and with more confidence. And for those moments when you need a little guidance, the user manual is here to help you set up everything quickly and easily. Now let's talk pricing. The DJI O4 Air unit is available for about $109 while the Pro version, offering even more advanced features, comes in at around $229. With the DJI O4 Air unit, you're ready to capture stunning visuals and take your FPV experience to the next level. Let's get flying. Grab yours today and feel the difference. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome drone content. And hey, why stop there? Check out this video next to see more amazing gadgets that are dominating the internet. You won't want to miss it.